I am loving this motorcycle. They call that orange tank. They call that Baja orange. Pretty crazy color. Never seen anything like it. This is my third Triumph motorcycle. And of course, every time you buy a new bike, you got to make a bunch of changes to it to make it your own. And of course, we're going to do some of that today. I did trade in my Speed Triple. I no longer have that bike. I love that bike too, but I tell you, this thing, I absolutely love this bike. So right behind me, I have a Triumph Speed Twin 1200. It's 2023. I am going to change the exhaust. I even have a little sound meter. I'm going to actually test the sound before I change them out, and I'm going to test the sound again after I change it out, and I'll put them all in this video so you guys can see. The exhaust I'm putting on is from Cone Engineering. These are the shorty versions. So here's the little meter we're going to use. It's about 4 to 5 feet from the back of the bike. I'm going to leave it right there for both tests. So the first thing we gotta do is turn the bike on. Okay, so right now it's a little bit warmed up. It's at idle. Let's see what it is. So it is hovering around 84, 85. So now we're gonna set this thing to read the max level, and we're gonna go crank up the throttle. Registered 106.7. The first side done already. Want something a little bit smaller. Actually, it's definitely smaller. There are no DB killers installed in there. I don't know if you can see inside there. I've still got the other one. We're gonna swap that out now. Okay, so now we got them both hooked up. Say hi, Steve.
Yeah.
My neighbor Steve there. So we're gonna let it warm up, and we're gonna... Okay, so it's warming up. Sounds pretty good. We're gonna check the at idle. It's already reading 94, 95. That's like a 10 dB difference almost at idle. So we're gonna set this to read the max level. Let's crank it up. I would say that's a lot louder. 118 on the scale. That's pretty badass. That's it. I am pretty impressed. That is the Cone Engineering shorty pipes on this thing. A clear boost in sound. Now we're going to take it for a ride. Talk to you guys next time.